Hi all. Hi Neha. Hi Vrishali. Okay, I'm so sorry I am late. Internet issue. Okay, girls. Hi to all. So yeah, I'll just start with what. Okay, I have done a therapy called as past life regression. Okay, now I have done this from a professional. You can have a candlelight dinner. And okay, girls, I will read all the comments later and in between maybe, and try to reply. So yeah, girls, so okay, there are a few people who had requested me to talk in English Hindi mix, so I'll try that as well. Okay, so nobody misses on what I'm saying. So yeah, so girls, around a year back, not a year back actually, कुछ महीनों पहले, almost, yeah, I can say a year back maybe. Okay, so this is about my experience in past life regression. मैंने ये थेरेपी की है अपने ऊपर जिसका नाम है पास्ट लाइफ रिग्रेशन. मैंने एक प्रोफेशनल डॉक्टर से किया है जिनका नाम है डॉक्टर सोधी. ही इज़ based out of Thane. He has his own clinic. He also teaches this as a course. Now, past life regression is all about, getting to a point where you see a solution to your problem. Okay. Okay, girls, thank you. Three wishes मैं पढ़ती जा रही हूँ, but I'll stick to the topic. सो जब मैंने ये डाला था कि पास्ट लाइफ में कौन कौन बिलीव करते हैं और कौन नहीं बिलीव करते हैं, तो देयर वर मेनी पीपल हु सेड कि दे डोंट बिलीव, या काफ़ी लोगों ने कहा था कि या वी डू बिलीव बट वी हैव नेवर एक्सपीरियंस्ड इट. किसी ने कहा कि मैंने इस बारे में सुना है, पढ़ा है, या हमारी फैमिली में जो बड़े बुजुर्ग हैं उनसे सुना है. सो राइट, कुछ महीनों पहले नहीं, महीनों या सालों के, ऑलमोस्ट ईयर बैक एक्चुअली, आई वॉज गोइंग थ्रू लॉट ऑफ इशूज़ इन माई पर्सनल लाइफ. बहुत सारे इशूज़ हो रहे थे व्हेन इट कम्स टू वर्क, health and family issues, finances, lot of things were, not everything was messed up actually. And okay, Rupali is saying your video is not clear, so I hope my audio is clear. Video nahi to audio to clear hai, because that is important that you are able to hear what I am saying. Please girls, if everyone can confirm that the video and the audio is clear. If somebody can confirm that, please just comment. Okay, I'm just waiting for a comment. Please confirm that the video and the audio is clear. This commenter don't send a thumbs up, or because continuously यहाँ पे thumbs up और hearts जा रहे हैं, तो I won't be able to understand is it for me or for my question. So is the audio and the video clear so that I can proceed? Can somebody please confirm that? Is the audio and video okay? Perfect. Okay, Shraddha, thank you so much. So अगर किसी को लग रहा है कि वीडियो क्लियर नहीं है, it could be also okay, both are clear. Thank you so much. तो आपका भी इंटरनेट इशू का इशू हो सकता है, so please do check your internet connection as well, क्योंकि मुझे भी यहाँ पर काफ़ी क्लियर दिखाई दे रहा है. So thank you, girls. Yeah, so almost a year back, I was going through a lot of problems in my life. So there's this person in my life who's very, 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 very important and who's played a very important role in my life. I met her 9 years back, before my marriage. उनका नाम है अमृता भट्टाचार्य जी. She is my mentor, my guiding light, my क्या कह सकते हैं, जो भी रोल मॉडल, तो जिनके ऊपर मैं बहुत ही ट्रस्ट करती हूँ. शी इज़ गाइडेड मी ऑल थ्रू एवरी फेज ऑफ लाइफ. शी इज़ गाइडेड मी, भले पर्सनल लेवल पे हो या प्रोफेशनल लेवल पे हो. आई वर्क विथ हर वी फॉर अ रिक्रूटमेंट फर्म, जिसके बारे में मैं काफ़ी बार बोलती भी हूँ. तो अमृता इज़ अ वेरी 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 नॉलेजेबल पर्सन, अ स्ट्रॉन्ग नेम इन कॉर्पोरेट वर्ल्ड, एंड ऑल्सो व्हेन इट कम्स टू दीज काइंड ऑफ नॉलेज, व्हेन इट कम्स पास्ट लाइफ और ये सब में वो बहुत मानते हैं. तो शी इज़ माई बॉस, एंड जब मैं उनके साथ काम कर रही थी तब उनको मेरी लाइफ के बारे में हर चीज़ पता रहती थी. जैसे मैं अभी हूँ कि मैं अपनी लाइफ के बारे में हमेशा ग्रुप में शेयर करती रहती हूँ चीज़ें, तो वैसे ही आई एम अ पर्सन हु ऑलवेज लाइक्स टू शेयर, नॉट लाइक फ्लॉन्ट मे बी, बट आई लाइक टू शेयर वट एवर हैपन्स इन माई लाइफ. एंड आई बिलीव कि जब मैं कुछ शेयर करती हूँ तो शायद सामने वाला अगर सेम सिचुएशन से गुजर रहा हो या इन फ्यूचर कभी गुजरे, तो दे माइट रिलेट टू द सिचुएशन एंड ट्राई टू फाइंड अ सोल्यूशन. मे बी it might help somebody, and that's the reason I always keep sharing my personal experiences. And also I advise others to share their personal experience, keep sharing about your personal life and struggles and achievement, which I always encourage people to do. So I used to tell everything to Amrita, and Amrita, okay, Amrita हमारी जो कोर मेंबर है उनके बारे में बात नहीं कर रही है, अमृता भट्टाचार्य जी के बारे में बात कर रही है जो मेरी बॉस है. So I used to share everything with her. Now most of you have know that I had been through a lot in my in my life, like a kidnapping thing and then eve teasing. तो ये सब चीज़ों से उभर कर मैं I got married, and after marriage there was a phase where I am suffering with PCOD. I'm still suffering with PCOD, okay, it's not cured yet, but I was a case where most of बहुत लोगों ने ऐसे कहा था कि it's not curable, you can't conceive and all those. So I was in a depression mode. So मैं काफ़ी टाइम तक डिप्रेशन में थी. तो दिस इज़ माई फर्स्ट स्टेप, ओके, पास्ट लाइफ रिग्रेशन के पहले का स्टेप मैं बता रही हूँ, बिकॉज दिस इज़ रियली इंपॉर्टेंट कि मैंने पास्ट लाइफ थेरेपी क्यों की और ये मेरे ऊपर क्यों वर्क किया. ओके, नाउ व्हेन आई वाज गोइंग थ्रू, okay, that's nice, that's so sweet of you, Parul. So when I was going through this depression kind of thing because I couldn't conceive, तो यही मेरे जो बॉस है उन्होंने मुझे ना फोर्सफुली एक काउंसलिंग सेशन के लिए भेजा. शालू मेहोत्रा करके अंधेरी में डॉन बॉस्को स्कूल है, डॉन बॉस्को नहीं, सॉरी, तुलानी कॉलेज के यहाँ पर. तो वहाँ पर प्रफुल्लता करके एक इंस्टीट्यूट है, इट्स अ काउंसलिंग सेंटर. सो आई वेंट देयर फॉर माई काउंसलिंग. माई बॉस पेड फॉर माई काउंसलिंग एंड शी लिटरली पुश्ड मी बिकॉज शी ऑलवेज फेल्ट दैट आई हैव लॉट ऑफ पोटेंशियल, आई एम वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग, आई एम वेरी इंटेलिजेंट, बट स्टिल आई वॉज नॉट ग्रोइंग एनीवेयर एंड दीज काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स वर अफेक्टिंग मी. और ये कंसीविंग को लेकर तो मैं बहुत ज़्यादा बहुत ज़्यादा मैं डिप्रेशन में आ गई थी. तब मैंने काउंसलिंग स्टार्ट किया. दिस वाज माय फर्स्ट स्टेप, ओके, दिस इज़ माय फर्स्ट स्टेप टूवर्ड्स self awareness, maybe to understand myself, to understand what is going on in my mind and in my heart. And I went for counseling. I almost took 7 to 8 sessions of counseling from Shalu Mehrotra. And वो counseling में ना suddenly things started changing. Now this is very important, girls. बहुत लोगों को लगता है कि counseling का मतलब होता है कि आप counselor के पास जाते हो, अपनी problems share करते हो और वो आपको solution देते हैं. Please, this is all wrong. ट्रस्ट मी, काउंसलर्स वही सही होते जो आपको कभी सोल्यूशन देते नहीं है. वो कभी कुछ नहीं बोलते, वो कभी एडवाइस नहीं देते हैं. दे विल एक्चुअली हेल्प यू टू टॉक. दे मेक दैट काइंड ऑफ कम्फर्ट लेवल विथ यू दैट आप उनसे अपनी हर दिल की बात शेयर करो. दे विल थ्रो क्वेश्चंस एट यू, जो क्वेश्चंस के आंसर आप देते देते आप खुद वो रियलाइज करने लगते हो कि ओके, ये प्रॉब्लम का ये सोल्यूशन हो सकता है. तो काउंसलर आपको उस सिचुएशन में ऐसे क्वेश्चंस और वो उस तरीके से आपके माइंड में वो दे ट्राई टू डाइवर्ट योर माइंड टुवर्ड्स द सॉल्यूशन ऑफ द प्रॉब्लम. Okay, so they will never tell you कि do this, do that until it is required. So always understand, whenever you feel that you want to go to a counselor or you're connecting with a counselor, make sure the counselor is not one who's going to talk and give you gyan. They are not actually. This is my, okay, no offense to anybody, please, this is not where I'm trying to say anybody bad or something, but this is my experience. तो जब मैंने शालू से जब मैं मिली उनसे, मैंने काफ़ी सेशंस लिए काउंसलिंग के. उन्होंने कभी मुझसे नहीं कहा कि करो ना, do this, do that, if you're getting into depression, try to do this. She always she was just trying to listen to what I wanted to say. मैं अपने दिल की सारी बात उनसे शेयर कर देती थी. एंड करते करते वो मुझे कुछ चीज़ें ऐसे पूछ लेते थे जो मैं आई यूज्ड थिंक इन दैट मैनर, ओके, something. And suddenly things started changing and I was able to become confident. मैं अपने डिप्रेशन से बाहर निकलने लगी. And after that I started my treatment. Though मेरा naturally I conceived, it was my determination. I became very positive, and with that positivity I tried to yes, Dr. Sneha said that self-realization is the basis of counseling. Exactly, Dr. Sneha, very true. So, but yes, I have seen counselors nowadays. I deal with a lot of such issues. People connect with me with their personal issues. I try to guide them, but I never give them a solution to anything. I always tell them take a professional help if required. But मैं बहुत सारे counselors से अभी connected हूँ, तो मैंने बहुत ये observe किया कि there are people who say they are counselor and they start giving advices to people कि do this, do that. So this is where I feel that that's not what a counselor should do. That a counselor should help that person to find a solution by themselves rather than telling them this could be the solution, this is the solution. This is what I feel. again I'm giving a disclaimer, girls, please do not, to everyone who is here, I see there are many men also, my friends, who have joined the live session. I'm really thankful to them, to take out the time, because I know they must be doing their office work and they're still here to listen to me. So thank you so much to everyone. So yeah, so after that I conceived, I had a baby के बाद फिर चीज़ें बहुत ही अलग होने लगी. I got busy with child, ये वो सब. But again there came a point which again I was getting into depression because of lot of things were happening. Career wise मुझे ऐसा लग रहा कि doing anything, मैं घर पे ही रह रही my corporate work, I was doing my freelancing work into recruitment, but I was not happy. It never made me happy to sit idle. I always, I have always been working since I knew about working, that term. So I send link to watch later. Okay, Daisy, you can come on this page and you can watch it anytime. This would be there on the page. So yes, after that, later on what happened is I again went to a depression because I was not able to figure out what was happening with my life. And मैं कुछ भी कर रही थी. I'll tell you, this happens with most of us. Okay, आप business करने जाते हो, आपका business अच्छा होता रहता है, लेकिन suddenly you can't reach where you want to reach. It doesn't do well. You want to do something in life. You want to do something and then you are not reaching to your goal. So this happened, and this was happening with me continuously. मैं कहीं पहुंच नहीं रही थी. So it was happening with me, and that's when my boss told me, you know what, try doing a past life regression, because every time I have seen कि आप में इतना potential है, आपने इतनी मेहनत की पूरे life, you have done so much, but still you have achieved, कुछ ना कुछ होता है, आपका होते होते काम रुक जाता है या बिगड़ जाता है, या कोई को बहुत ज़्यादा मेहनत करो, स्ट्रगल करो, तब जाके पूरी होती है. एंड आई वाज लाइक, या दैट्स ट्रू, इट्स ऑलवेज बीन देयर विथ मी. तो yes, so so if you have question, please type it in the comments. I'm still reading it. Okay, so then I went for past life regression. Again, this was like, my boss literally said, I am going to pay for it, please go, because she loves me so much that she can't see me. She's a very wonderful person. मैं कभी आप लोगों को उनसे introduce करवाऊंगी. So I went for past life regression session. Now this session I was firstly, पहले एक टाइम था जब मैं पूरी नास्तिक थी. मैं भगवान ये सब में बिलीव नहीं करती थी. माई फ्रेंड्स स्टिल नो कि मैं कभी प्रसाद भी नहीं लेती थी. माई हस्बैंड नेम इज प्रसाद, बाय द वे. सो आई वॉज नेवर इनटू ऑल दिस. मैं ये सब नहीं मानती थी, बिल्कुल नहीं मानती थी. देन देखें, बट देन माई बॉस पुश्ड मी कि प्लीज गो फॉर दिस सेशन, एंड आई वॉज लाइक, ओके, लेट मी ट्राई. एंड देन आई वेंट फॉर दिस सेशन कॉल्ड एज पास्ट लाइफ रिग्रेशन. नाउ people who feel कि वहाँ पर past life regression is something about people, somebody will sit in front of me and they'll ask me a question and they'll go in my past and tell me the story. It's not like that. It's a simple process. Okay, I went to this doctor called as Dr. Sodhi and Dr. Mitali. They both work together, and मैं गई. First thing is, पास्ट लाइफ में आपको क्वेश्चन पूछा जाएगा कि वाई यू वॉन्ट टू डू इट, और वॉट इज द क्वेश्चन, और वॉट इज द प्रॉब्लम फॉर विच यू आर लुकिंग आउट फॉर सोल्यूशन. ओके, नाउ I told them what was my problem, that okay, my career wise I was very much not getting to what I want. I told them that. Then they said, okay, fine, let's start working on it. Now the process is, you have to go and tell the question, whatever your concern is, your problem is, tell them. They will not question you much. Okay, they'll take you in a trance mode. Ask you to close your eyes, and हमसे वो थोड़ा सा questions करने लगते हैं. Okay, now here please, there are few members who asked me, did they give you something to eat, या फिर उन्होंने ऐसे pendulum करके कुछ यूज़ किया, या hypnotis therapy और ऐसे कुछ किया क्या. So in my session it was not required. I did not do anything like that. Okay, I just closed my eyes and they started questioning me. Okay, they started their questions like, Karuna, now what is the problem, what lights do you see, now in which room are you, be in a room where where you feel you are right now. So they were asking me questions. Okay, now here comes how it works. Okay, now when they were asking me questions, okay, that time it's not like मुझे कुछ सोच कर बोलना है. Okay, it is आपके दिमाग में पहला जो चीज़ आता है आपको वो बोलना रहता है. So the moment I close my eyes, okay, आई एम इन अ डिफरेंट जोन, बिकॉज मुझसे मिलने के पहले दे डू अ मेडिटेशन, दे डू अ एनर्जी एक्सचेंज एंड दे डू यू नो दैट्स हाउ दे वर्क, एंड द मोमेंट दे connect with me, the energy is exchanged again. Okay, so I feel that energy, I can feel that that room where I'm sitting with the therapist is completely different, the energy which I get from them is completely different. Okay, so when I started that, they started questioning me. Okay, okay, you know, Karuna, tell us what happened, where are you right now? So suddenly, you know, I saw, okay, I'm in my bedroom, and I said, oh, I'm in my bedroom. Then so it is not that the therapist will tell you about your past, it is about they will question you something, you have to tell them what you see. Okay, what you imagine, what is the image or visual that you see when you close your eyes after they question you. So this is what was happening continuously. They were questioning me, and then I was telling them, okay, I'm in this room. Sometimes I used, you know, at times I said that, you know, I can't see anything. Now girls, ये जो सेशन होता है पास्ट लाइफ थेरेपी में, ये प्रॉब्लम से रिलेटेड होता है. इट इज़ नॉट लाइक कि आपको कोई ऐसे ही कोई भी लाइफ दिखा देगा या व्हाटएवर, यू नो. देयर आर मेनी अ टाइम्स पीपल गो एंड दे कनेक्ट, दे ट्राई टू कनेक्ट, बट दे कांट सी एनीथिंग. व्हेन द थेरेपिस्ट इज आस्किंग देम, क्लोज योर आइज, कैन यू सी समथिंग, व्हाट डू यू सी, द फर्स्ट थिंग, व्हाट डू यू सी, व्हाट लाइट डू यू सी, विच रूम यू आर इन. There are many a times I have met many of my friends who tried with from the same doctors, but they don't even see, like first 2 sessions उनको कुछ नहीं समझ आ रहा है, because it is very important that you need to have a self awareness. इसीलिए now मेरे लिए सबसे अच्छी बात ये हुई कि मैंने ऑलरेडी काउंसलिंग की हुई थी अपने लिए, इसलिए मेरा सेल्फ अवेयरनेस थोड़ा अच्छा था. मैं फर्स्ट सेशन में, यू वोंट बिलीव, फर्स्ट सेशन व्हाट आई सॉ वाज वेरी, I couldn't ever, even in my, you know, wildest dream think that I can see this. Okay, most of you might know that I lost my father when I was just 4.5-5 year old. Okay, तो मुझे मेरे फादर कैसे दिखते हैं या कैसे थे, मुझे वो कभी मुझे पता ही नहीं है, याद ही नहीं है. इफ यू प्रॉपर फोटोग्राफ पे शायद they don't have that much, you know, so I don't have a proper photograph as such कि मैं imagine करूँ कि मेरे father ऐसे दिखते हैं. But my first session I sat there and my question was related to something else, but you know, I closed my eyes and I saw that I saw my father's soul. Okay, I actually saw him and he came to me, he sat with me and he spoke to me. I know many of you might feel that ये, you know, how is this possible, but ये मेरे साथ हुआ है और मैंने उनसे बात किया. And the moment I started talking to my father, I was crying literally, my whole body was shivering and it was so bad. This was my first session and first session I can see my father whom I have, you know, मैं 4.5 साल के बच्चे को एक्चुअली याद नहीं रहता है कि कोई, you know, कोई याद नहीं रख सकता है, तो मुझे तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं पता था कि how my father looks. And that time I could actually see, I could see a soul, and how he used to dress I never knew. Okay, now I spoke to him and I was continuously crying and I was talking to him, and I was like, you know, my whole body was shivering literally. Both the doctors had to hold my body because my body was literally shivering and I was moving, and my you know, मेरी आँखों से आंसू रुक नहीं रहे थे. Now whole my life I have never seen my father. I did not have that kind of attachment towards my father. Trust me, मुझे हमेशा लगता था कि मुझे ऐसे कोई attachment, for me my mom is everything. मैंने कभी father को देखा नहीं, तो father love and all is not, you know, I don't know that much. But that time I was just crying and I was questioning him that why did you leave me and why weren't you with me, आप इतनी जल्दी क्यों गए, आपने मुझे छोड़ दिया. And I was complaining him and I was just crying continuously, and my father was just looking at me and he just said one thing, कि you have to let me go. Until you don't let me go, you know, I can't be peaceful. And I was like कि मैंने आपको रोका, मैं आपको जाने ही नहीं दूंगी, you know, मैं आपको रोक के रखूंगी. That time I was literally, you know, to my whole body, even now I'm getting goosebumps. So that time I was literally in that zone कि I was not letting my father go, and I was continuously telling him that this, I am not letting you go this time, अभी आप मेरे साथ ही रहो. And then, you know, after that the therapist got very scared, like, you know, they were like, Karuna, see, every session you go they will connect you, the problem would be told, they will connect you to the you know, to a situation जिस वजह से वो problem आपकी life में अभी है, okay, to that part of your life, and they will try to end it there and close it. You have to close that over there and then come back to the current life. Now that time, this was my first session and I'm connected with my father and I'm talking to him. They are asking me, the therapist, both of the therapists, they were asking me, Karuna, now you know what, you have to stop it, forgive your father, tell him what you want to say. आपको जो भी है आपके दिल में उनसे आप clearly बोल दो and आप उनको अभी जाने दो and just come out. But that time, it was me or my soul. Trust me, I don't know what. But I was so stubborn. I was not ready to leave him. I was not ready to come out to the current situation. I was like, no, I'm not letting him go. और I was very stubborn. मैंने नहीं, मैं उनको जाने ही नहीं दूंगी और मुझे वापस आना ही नहीं है. This really happened with me. And okay, I'm sweating now. Even now I'm like, थोड़ा सा होता है. But yes, this really happened with me. But then yes, पुष्पा जी, I'm not crying. It's just थोड़ा सा emotional हो जाती हूँ. I don't know why, but अभी भी थोड़ा सा emotional हो गई हूँ. So that time, फिर therapist, literally they had some, they had those qualification and they know what to be done. तो उन्होंने मेरे सर पे हाथ रखा, मेरे full body पे, उन्होंने हाथ ऐसे, there is a female मिताली करके, वो मेरे पूरे body पर हाथ घुमा रहे थे. And she was reading something, and first session में ही I could feel my this my left leg and left hand, it was burning. Like इतना मुझे जलन हो रहा था हाथों में और पैरों में, and I was not able to move my one hand, my left side hand and right. It was burning like anything. And I'm telling him, screaming also at the same time. I'm crying for my father and at the same time I'm telling him मिताली, मेरा हाथ बहुत जल रहा है, मेरा पैर बहुत जल रहा है, please do something. And she literally did something, and after some time मेरी full body ऐसे calm हो गई. I was calm and I told my father that okay, fine, I forgive you for everything, and I want you to now go and leave this world or leave this attachment with me, and I forgive you. And I said whatever, जो भी मुझे खुद को ये नहीं पता था आज तक, तब तक in fact, कि मुझे मेरे फादर को मैं इतना मिस करती थी. Okay, after that I realized few things. I'll share with you, but I never thought कि मैं अपने फादर को कभी मिस किया. इनफैक्ट मैं कभी उनका नाम भी नहीं लेती थी, बिकॉज मुझे वो था ही नहीं अटैचमेंट. सो आई जस्ट नेवर न्यू दैट समथिंग लाइक दिस, मेरे दिमाग में ऐसा कुछ है भी मेरे फादर को लेकर. तो आई लेट हिम गो. मैं उनके साथ उनसे अच्छी तरह बात की और उनको मैंने जाने दिया. उसके बाद मेरी बॉडी काम डाउन, इट वाज लाइक माई बॉडी वॉज होल्ड लाइक कोल्ड, एंड मैं शांत हुई. And then after that, Dr. Sodhi and Dr. Mitali asked me to open my eyes, and I opened my eyes. I just थोड़ी देर के लिए मुझे ऐसे सब घूम रहा था, but 5 मिनट, hardly 5 minutes मुझे लगा और I was fine. Okay, now this experience, I was very much मुझे समझा ही नहीं कि क्यों. मैंने तो पूछा था कि मेरा करियर क्यों नहीं आगे बढ़ रहा है, why, और ये मुझे मेरे फादर का क्यों दिखा. Okay. So okay, Sachi is saying, listening this, I'm missing my mom. Sachi, trust me, if you're missing your mom, just say her that I'm missing you, but I'm happy that wherever you are, I'm sure you're happy in your own place. Because I'll tell you why. Okay, this thing happened with me about my father, about meeting my father. This was my first session. I completely did not understand कि ये मैंने क्यों देखा और ये सब क्यों हो रहा है मेरे साथ. बट मेरा कंसर्न सिर्फ जॉब को लेकर है. Look, why did I meet my father? मैं तो कभी उनको लाइफ में मिस नहीं किया है. I never understood that the connection between that. But Dr. Sodhi said, ये आपका first session है, just be calm, relax, go home, we'll talk in the next session. And जब आपको लगे तब आप सोच लेना इस बारे में. I came home. मैं पूरे रास्ते ना मेरा सर ऐसे भारी लग रहा था मुझे, but I was like fine, मुझे कुछ हुआ नहीं. I was fine. I was just I came home. And when I came home, I asked my mother, I saw this today. And my family was like, what are you talking about? I said, yes, I saw this and I spoke to him all this. And my mom was like, yeah, your father used to wear such clothes. And I actually described him. ऐसे मैंने देखा, mom, he was wearing this white and blah, blah, blah. And my mom was like, yeah, he used to dress up like that. So I was like, ठीक है, मैंने photo देखी होगी maybe. But there were things I spoke to him and he answered me those things which I spoke to my mother, and I told her that what, I asked him this and this is what he said. And my mother was literally speechless. She was like, what are you talking about? I said, yes, this is what he said. And my mother was like, she did not say anything. And I was like, okay, fine, leave it. Now this is my first session. मुझे दूसरा सेशन था, जस्ट एक हफ्ते बाद मिला दूसरा. Okay, Deepa, I'll tell you how did this benefit me. I'll tell you soon. Wait. Okay, I will clear all the doubts because many people have asked me this. Okay. Now the second. Now I'll tell you what happened here. Okay. Now I remember. मुझे इतने साल ये सब चीज़ें याद नहीं थी, but I remember. I always felt that I don't feel I miss my father because I have never seen him. My mom is there all the time, so I never missed him. मुझे हमेशा ही लगा. I never even spoke about my father a lot, या फिर कभी मैंने ऐसे दिखाया नहीं कि I miss him a lot, okay? But I started, I went into a zone where I started reading and मैं पहले का सब सोचने लगी कि क्या हुआ है, ये सब मैंने क्यों देखा. And I remembered one incident when I was in my school. टिल आई थिंक 4th या 5th स्टैंडर्ड मैं ना स्कूल में यही बोलती थी कि मेरे फादर है लेकिन वो यहाँ नहीं रहते, बाहर रहते. दो मेरे क्लासमेट्स सब मेरे नेबर्स थे, फिर भी मैं यही बोलती थी. ये मुझे अब रियलाइज़ हुआ है कि एक्चुअली आई यूज टू लाई टू पीपल व्हेन आई यूज टू लुक एट अदर पीपल शेयरिंग अ बॉन्ड विद देयर फादर. आई यूज टू फील दैट कि ओके इवन आई हैव अ फादर. आई नेवर एक्सेप्टेड. आई ऑलवेज यूज टू से गन्नू बप्पा, यू से गन्नू बप्पा, आई से गन्नू पप्पा. आई यूज टू फील दैट ही इज़ माई फादर. ओके, मैं ऐसा सोच लेती थी. बट कहीं पर भी स्कूल में, तो एक बार स्कूल में भी इंसिडेंट हुआ है कि आई वॉज एब्सेंट एंड आई हैड टू राइट अ लीव नोट. तो आई हैड रिटन अ लीव नोट, ओके, जिसमें मैंने लीव की स्पेलिंग गलत लिखी थी. ओके, एंड आई साइंड एज अ फादर. ओके, नाउ शी वॉज अ पीरियड टीचर, शी वॉज नॉट माई क्लास टीचर हु वुड नो अबाउट मी. तो शी जस्ट सॉ एंड शी सेड हु रोट दिस लीव नोट, एंड आई सेड आई स्टिल रिमेंबर माई टीचर्स नेम. इट वॉज पाठक टीचर. इफ माई स्कूल फ्रेंड्स आर इन द ग्रुप they might know. And and she asked who wrote this leave note, and I said my father wrote it. She said are you sure? I said yes. She said okay, next time just check this, and she just pointed the spelling mistake of leave, and I said he was in hurry, and that's why he has written. And somebody in the class stood up and said that she's lying, she doesn't have a father. And that day I realized okay, मैं एक झूठ बोल रही हूँ, और वो भी मैं ऐसा झूठ बोल रही हूँ जो सबको पता है. And I was lying to myself. As a child, it was maybe it was something which was affecting me. I did not realize. After that, I never ever spoke about my father. Ever. मैं बात ही नहीं करती थी. But O Prasad, who is my now boyfriend, उनको पता है कि जब मैं उनसे मिली as a stranger when we were dating, I used to share with him, that something I miss is this. Like when I see my friends with their father, I feel why not me? So this thing had affected me so much, but I never spoke about it. I never ever told it to my family. I pretend to be very strong, but in my past life session, this thing was, ये सबसे पहले ये चीज़ आई. Now what happened is, according to Dr. Sodhi, was that I was so much, मैंने इतना उस चीज़ को पकड़ के रखा था कि I was not letting it go out of my mind, my life, and somewhere it was affecting my life. तो मैंने जो क्वेश्चन लिया था कि मेरा करियर रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन था. नाउ डॉक्टर सोधी ने मुझे समझाया कि करुणा, व्हाट हैपेंस इज, आप क्वेश्चन कुछ लेकर आते हो जिसका सोल्यूशन कुछ होगा, लेकिन कभी कभी पास्ट लाइफ में उन चीज़ों को पहले अब उन चीज़ों को पहले एड्रेस किया जाता है ऑटोमेटिकली, जो आपकी लाइफ में सबसे पहले सुलझनी चाहिए. तो हमें काफ़ी बार ये चीज़ें पता नहीं होती कि ये हमारे दिस इज़ ब्लॉकिंग आवर लाइफ, आवर माइंड. बहुत सारी ये नेगेटिविटी या डिप्रेस करे हमें पता भी नहीं होता है कुछ चीज़ों का, बट ये हमारे लिए इंपॉर्टेंट होता है कि उस चीज़ों को हमें अपनी लाइफ से या अपने दिमाग से निकालना है. और यही चीज़ मेरे साथ हुई पास्ट लाइफ में कि मैंने कभी सोचा नहीं था कि ये फादर इशू मेरे लिए इतना इंपॉर्टेंट या इतना ये है मेरी लाइफ में ये कोई इशू. बट इट एक्चुअली दैट्स वेयर आई गॉट टू अंडरस्टैंड ओके दिस इशू वॉज इम्पॉर्टेंट. उसके बाद से लेके अब तक ना मुझे इस चीज़ को लेके कभी कोई इशू नहीं हुआ. एंड I'm somewhere it was there in my mind about my father, but now it's cleared, it's completely. Now this was my first session. Again जब मुझे दूसरे सेशन में जाने की बारी आई, that time I was really very scared, and I was like, I was nervous. Okay, now what is it that I'm going to see? Now my second session, I'll tell you what happened is, again I went for the same question. One second, I went, okay. Okay, so again in my second session what happened is I went with the same question about my career again. Okay, my career, my work, my things are not going good. Now in the second session again what happened is that I saw somebody, my aunt, actually I'll tell you directly, my aunt, okay, my mom's sister, okay, and I saw her. She's no more. We were living together for very long until she passed away just 12 years back. She saw her, okay. Now I was very much attached to her obviously, and and I was again like, अब इस बार मुझे मैं उनको आई बुलाती थी, मतलब why I am seeing I. In the second session I saw her and she spoke few things, okay. Now she told me a few things and she was showing a lot of anger, okay. She was very angry, though when we had a very good bond, she loved me, I loved session. When I saw her, she was full of anger and full of something which now this was again, I was scared that time, why is it this happening abhi. उस session के बाद again when I came home, now this is very interesting, okay. My aunt told me few things which, as which she told me about her childhood, okay, when I was not even born obviously. Now nobody knew those things except she and my mom in her family. I came home and I wanted to verify it, okay, what is it true, okay. Now this is how I verified. Thankfully my mom was there to verify this, because lot of time it happens कि हमको लगता है past life का है, पास्ट में होगा तो हमको वेरीफाई कैसे कर सकते हैं ना. मेरे साथ ये हुआ कि दोनों सेशन में मुझे करंट लाइफ दिखा है. So I came home, I spoke to my mother and I told her, today I saw this, and she told me these things, and my mom was like, literally the movie scene happens, the plate fell down from your hand and you're like, shocked. So this actually happened with me, and my mom was like, who told you all this? And I said, I saw this in the session today and she told me all this. And my mom was like, nobody in the family knows about this except me and her. She's no more, I never told you. I said, Mom, this is what she told me and I have to convey it to you because this is what is affecting her soul, and this is what, that's why maybe something, and I was her, very closed one, so maybe that's why it is affecting me. Maybe that could be one of the reasons. And this I got verified from my mother, and she said, yes, this is true and this is how it was. And then we did few things and we tried to correct it. Now 2 sessions I saw my current life. Third session I saw a life where I was actually in an ancient time, and a lot of weird things like गाँव में हूँ and नदी में डूब रही हूँ and all that thing. Now I tell you why I'm telling you these incidents, okay. Past life में things will, you have to take up your problem, you tell your problem, they take you to to a situation where the problem, the root of the problem is, okay. For me, what happened was, the root of the problem was in one of my life where I had done something wrong, and that was affecting me in this current life as per the therapist, okay. But now I tell you how it works, how this benefits, okay. आप बोलोगे या तो ये इमेजिनेशन होगा, या फिर दिस कुड बी समथिंग विच आप इमेजिन कर रहे हो, या फेक है, ये है, वो है, ओके, व्हाटएवर इट इज़. I mean, I thought for some time कि it is my imagination कि मैं देख रही हूँ, मैं एक लाइफ में मैं नदी में डूब के मर रही हूँ, मैं गाँव में रह रही हूँ, इट्स प्राचीन काल में रह रही हूँ, and all that thing, okay, fine. I thought it was my imagination, but then I saw one thing, okay. Whenever I used to see something happening in my session, okay, and I used to try to end it, we have to close it, okay. Every session, every life you go and you see something, it is very important that you have to close it. There has to be, then you have to come back, because if you don't come back, it's difficult, okay, it's not right. So every session that I went for past life, I see something and I come back to my current life. I used to see that जो प्रॉब्लम मैं लेकर गई हूँ ना, उस प्रॉब्लम को रिलेटेड कुछ ना कुछ सुधार आ रहा था मेरी लाइफ में, बिकॉज वट आई वॉज डूइंग इज आई वॉज क्लोजिंग माई प्रॉब्लम इन दैट लाइफ, बट एट द सेम टाइम माई माइंड यूज टू गेट कनेक्टेड टू दोज थिंग एंड वॉज ट्राइंग टू रेक्टिफाई इन करंट लाइफ एज वेल. Now you might feel that it could be imagination, this could be anything. I saw a life where I was a princess, I saw a life where I was a male, I was a saint, a guy. I saw a life where I was not here, somewhere time mein, where I was the only daughter and my father used to hate me because I was the daughter, blah blah blah. I saw so many lives, almost more than 18 lives I have seen, okay. Now every time I saw a life, I used to do a closure, I used to come back home and I used to think in that manner, okay, today I saw this and this was related to this. What I used to do is I used to actually start working on past life nahi hai, ya whatever, it is just your imagination. It could be, right, it could be, but then the way it works, your therapist will listen to your problem, but it will see your brain, everything is in your brain, trust me, and everything is about karma. That is what I still believe. एवरीथिंग इज अबाउट कर्मा. तो जो पुराने लाइफ में मैंने कर्माज मेरे जो अधूरे रह गए हैं, शायद इस लाइफ में मुझे अफेक्ट करते ना, आई हैव टू क्लीन इट, व्हाटएवर. But everything, your brain has everything. Your therapist will not tell you what happened, nor you're telling it. Your brain is something who's giving you signals. It gives you visuals, okay? And that is how it will connect you to some, maybe it's an imagination. किसी को लगेगा ये imagination fake story हो गया, करुणा imagine कर रही हो गया. Maybe it's an imagination of my mind कि मैंने वो life देखा, मैं ऐसे करी वैसे करी. But your brain takes us to a place or an imagination which is connected to your current problem. And then your brain and you automatically start thinking in that zone and you try to rectify it. Trust me, after those sessions, automatically I started realizing that okay, this is not what I should have done. I should have done this. And I started working on it. अपने आप चीज़ें सुलझती गई, अपने आप मुझे समझा भी नहीं, काफ़ी लाइफ के प्रॉब्लम सॉर्ट होने लग गए. एंड थिंग्स स्टार्टेड चेंजिंग फॉर मी इन अ वेरी वेरी गुड वे. अगेन आई विल से द सेम थिंग कि इट इज़ नॉट that, you know, I told many people that, you know, I saw in one life and every life I have seen you know, people from current life somewhere connected, okay, not in the same relationship, maybe my brother or anybody, but something they were a part of previous life. Not that I was always in India. I was, you know, as I told, I was sometime I have seen myself in different world, in different zone, different kind of life, but these all were connected to my problem somewhere. They helped my mind to clear that blockage which was there in my mind. So as again I'll say, it is all in your brain, in your mind. Your brain has everything. Your brain is connected to the environment, to the universe so strongly that आप अपने ही लिए नहीं, आप दूसरों के लिए भी आप समझ सकते हो. आप you know, sometime you say मुझे intuition होता है, या I get a strong feeling that this is going to happen. Trust me, whenever your mind tells you something, listen to it, because whatever comes to your mind, it is not just simply a ऐवी कुछ नहीं आता, it has a reason. But what happens is we just ignore our thoughts, we just ignore things, and we are so much influenced by the surrounding and our current lifestyle that we ignore what is within us. And everything is within us, every answer, every solution is within us. So this is how even past life, I think this is how even that works. I saw many lives of mine, I saw many problems getting solved because of that. मेरे इतने सारे problems थे जो life में, you won't believe, like my life is filled with lot of problems. Every day my friends used to say, you know, there's never a day when Karuna you say that, you know, you never have a problem. Every day anybody would ask me, अरे आज ये हो गया, आज वो हो गया. Some or the other thing used to happen with me, and lot of problems. But these, you know, I have done almost 8 sessions, and every session I saw a different life, and it helped me to come out of some problem and get a solution to it. I saw a life where I was also, you know, like, you know, many people asked me that you went through this Eve teasing, you were kidnapped. So why that happened with you? Okay, now today I would say one thing, that you know, all these things happened with me. Today I know the answer as well why it happened with me. Though I have not done anything bad with anybody in this life or till date, मैंने कभी किसी का बुरा नहीं किया ना, कभी किसी के लिए बुरा सोचा है. I have always been a very kind person and always been, you know, helpful to everyone. Still these things happened with me, but today I know the answer, and I don't say that this is the reason, you know, मेरे साथ क्यों ऐसा हुआ, ये मेरे साथ ही क्यों होता है, मेरे साथ हमेशा बुरा होता है. I never say this, because now I know the answers, and I know how to even come out of that zone, and I can say that this is not what has happened to me. I will have to work on it, and I will get out of it. Just be positive. So see girls, I don't know if you know, I'm not getting comments here. I don't know if somebody wants to ask question. So past life therapy is, again, I'll tell you, it is a way where it works on your mind. It connects you to the situation where the root of the problem is, and it tries to make a closure with that problem, and you are, you know, you can get a solution in your current life. So you have to go, you know, you can go with the question to the therapist, if you know, and trust me, there are many past life therapists. I now, after getting involved in such services, I interacted with many. I couldn't find, you know, result with everybody. मैंने ट्रायल सेशन ये वो को, I did not find solution with everybody, because there were many a times there was twice I went to somebody, I couldn't connect at all. I couldn't see anything. In fact, my self awareness is so strong, even without the therapy. Now I know how I can solve particular problem. I just try to connect with myself. I try to find answer within myself. But few therapists I connected, I couldn't find any answers. I couldn't see anything. So it is also important, you know, that whom you're consulting with. I consulted with Dr. Sodhi, who is based out of Thane. He has his own clinic. And Yeshika is a Dr. Sodhi. I'll share his details in some time. In fact, I have asked Dr. Sodhi and Dr. Mitali also if they can come online live in our group, and you know, they can share how the concept works. This is not this is what my experience, it's my real life experience, and that's what I wanted to share with everybody. Past life sessions are expensive. Yes, it is expensive. It is actually because they have put a lot of efforts and a lot of work, and it's not that somebody can become a therapist in a day's time. It takes a lot of experience and knowledge. Usually it costs per session around 5,000 to 6,000 per session, but I am also talking to them if they, you know, I was planning we can keep a such session for our group members where we can see if they can work out something. Let me see, I'll talk to them as for sure. But yes, it is slightly expensive. I was you know, I'm lucky that my boss sponsored me, because she wanted me to come out of all the problem. It will help. It will be a great help. Yes, Pushpashri, I'm still talking to them. I have not discussed in detail, but I'm trying to see if we can get them on board, or maybe if we can get them live with us. Shika is saying that would be great. Is it true I connect at some level? It is true I connect. Yes, it is true. See, again I would say that I'm not anywhere saying that past life hota hai ya nahi hota hai. I'm just saying that this therapy, you know, past life regression is a way where you can actually connect with the root cause of your problem, because everything is in your brain. Again, trust me girls, everything is in your brain. This create an awareness, or maybe that helps you to connect to that point of in your brain where everything is stored. Everything about your problem, every memory is stored, which you are not aware of. Okay, just you know, like you might not be aware of your childhood or everything now, but you can connect to the past life, every life which the problem is connected with. And yeah, Shika, I'm lucky. Thank you so much. I'm really lucky to have Amrita as my you know, mentor, because she's helped me a lot. And to somebody who was never so confident and always had a question कि मेरे साथ ही ये क्यों होता है, why me? Today I am like, no, मेरे साथ कुछ गलत नहीं हो रहा है, and if something is happening, I know how to tackle it. I know how to clear this, and I know everything will be fine. Everything is fine. So ये changes जो मुझ में आए हैं, somewhere I always give credit to Amrita, my boss, because she has helped me choosing the right path and the right method to come out of problems. And she herself is also a counselor. She also does that. In fact, मैंने उनको बोला भी था कि वो हमारे लिए counseling हमारे group के members के लिए करे. So yeah. But I'm happy, but still miss my moms. Yes, Archie, see, obviously you will miss people, and like, you know, Sarika said one thing in the comment that, you know, it's a journey of soul from one from, you know, life to another life. So I believe that is very true, that it's a soul's journey. Body is just a form, you know. So this life ends, we are into another life, another form of body, but it doesn't stop until all our karmas are cleared. So that's the reason I said it's all about your karmas. So you have to have your karma. And we say na कि ये अरे मेरे साथ इसने ये किया. Trust me, आप ये मेरे साथ हुआ है कि people who have, you know, betrayed me or spoken bad about me, I don't run behind them giving clarification of things. I just confront once, बात हुई नहीं हुई, clear or नहीं, I leave it. I just leave it. And I have seen those people coming back to me, telling me the things that, okay, we were wrong, and I'm sorry that we did not stood by you, or, you know, we did not trust you, or we did not help you that time. This has happened with me, and trust me, this is how karma works. So keep your karmas clear. Don't do anything bad to somebody. Maybe हमारा definition of good and bad is different from others, and they might have a different definition. But whatever it is, just be good. Just do whatever you should be doing. Don't bitching करना या किसी की बुराई करना या jealous feel होना, ये सबसे तो कुछ होता भी नहीं है वैसे भी. It's just that we create a negative mindset for ourselves. power of subconscious mind, good or bad, it affects. Sure, yes, Sarika, it's true. Subconscious mind, everything is about your subconscious mind, and it actually, that is the power which works. And as I said, I have seen more than 18 lives of mine. I've seen more than that actually, and every life I saw, I ended that life with a sad note, saying something to the universe that I had to come back to a new life. I had to मुझे वापस एक जन्म लेना पड़ता था, बिकॉज ये मैंने उस लाइफ में कुछ ना कुछ ऐसा अधूरा छोड़ दिया था कि मुझे फिर लेना पड़ता था. तो आई हैड टू कंप्लीट दैट सर्कल, दैट कर्मा, आई हैव टू क्लियर दैट, एंड दैट्स व्हाट आई हैड सीन. ओके, बट आई बिलीव नाउ व्हेन somebody will ask me, I will feel कि okay, I know something is happening with me or something wrong is happening. I know कि this will be solved. I know how to solve. I just try to connect with myself. I try to think. I understand, and I try to see what is it that I have done, and I try to connect with myself. It's not easy task to connect with yourself. It takes a lot of time and a lot of meditation and a lot of efforts actually. Self-awareness is not very easy, but I try to do that now, and I try to come up with solution by myself, and trust me, I find solutions. So and the most important thing is that we all talk about problems. So the moment we shift our focus from problem to solution, things actually start changing. And that's why many healers also say that आप manifest करो कि आप हो गया है या ये चीज़ हो ही गई है, positive बोलो. That's how it works. The moment you talk about solutions, solution ही होगा. But the more you crib about problems कि अरे मेरी लाइफ में हो ही रहा है, why me, ये क्यों वो क्यों, you will always get problems. So this is how the universe also works. So you have to start changing your mindset. Amita is saying it will be great if they can come online and share some more insight about past life regression. Amita, I'm talking to them. I had done this almost I think अभी तो शायद 1 साल हो गया है, 1 साल नहीं, आई थिंक ऑलमोस्ट फ्यू मंथ्स, बट या मैंने 1 साल पहले ये सेशंस उनसे लेना स्टार्ट किया था. सो आई टॉक टू देम, आई विल डिस्कस विद देम. शिखा इज सेइंग यू आर राइट एंड दिस इज 100% agree on your this video. Thank you so much, Shikha. Amita is saying self-awareness is the key. Exactly, Amita, self-awareness is the key. Sachi is, I also want to know why she left me so early. Sachi, rather than getting in the mindset that why she left you, you should try to think in a different way, because the more you keep thinking about that thing, you will not be at peace, nor her soul would be at peace. So this is what happened with me. मेरा तो unintentionally ये हो रहा था, but let's this is how you should be. You should tie somebody to yourself so much, or try to keep questioning things, why this did not happen. It actually affect us really bad. Nisha is saying, wow, that's the spirit, and this attitude helps us too. Thank you so much, Nisha. Shikha is saying, whoever feels I'm bad, they have come back again and asked for help and saying sorry, I have experienced myself. Yes, bang on. Yes, Shikha, this actually happened with me several times. Now ये तो मेरे साथ भी होता रहता है कि people talk bad and they say something about me, and later on these people come back to me and they say good things about me. So that is fine, but now I have become a person who is not affected by anybody. I don't get affected. Somebody says bad about me, somebody says good about me, it doesn't affect me. My focus is very clear. I know that this is what I have to do in my life. These are my goals. When it comes to extraordinary as well, many people initially when I started, many people had opinion that इतने सारे ग्रुप है, आपने एक और ग्रुप बना दिया है, क्या हो, it might not work, ये वो. But and people, or even now people say कि Karuna, you should try to increase the account, you should have a huge number, and I'm very focused. I'm like, this is not my intention. When I started the group, I was very clear that I have a vision, I have a goal that I want to grow in my life. But I have very clarity on this thing that along with me, the whole group should grow. Every member in the group should grow in the terms of finance, maybe mentally, anything, maybe in knowledge, or maybe in terms of getting contacts, anything, but they are growing in some other form. And I'm okay, the group is 3,000, 4,000, that doesn't matter. My goal was never to reach numbers. I always had a vision to reach somewhere, grow somewhere along with everybody. So and I'm happy and I'm very focused on that goal. So now when somebody says anything to me, anybody says anything to me, it doesn't affect me, because I don't let anybody's opinion affect me in any form. I'm very much focused. So I think this is how every person should be. दिस इज माई ओपिनियन ना, गर्ल्स डोंट टेक इट लाइक ये सब मैं अपने बारे में बोल रही हूँ. सो डोंट you can think over it and you can decide how you want to live your life. This is how I live my life now. Chaitali saying how it ended 18 lives. I mean, there could be more na. Yes, Chaitali, there are many more lives I have seen. Obviously I can't tell you all the lives now yaar, bahut time lag jayega. But yes, it ended because I saw that there were a lot of karmas in my past lives, where I was I was very stubborn. I was very I had this firmness that I want this in this life, and I was very stubborn. I was not ready to take what the nature or universe was trying to give me. I wanted something which which I wasn't even working towards it, but I just was stubborn, and that was creating problems and blockage in my life. And that's the reason, even in my career, I was not going in the right direction. Okay, extraordinary happened to me later after I started these sessions and after I got clarity. Before that, I was never so clear. I was never so confident. I was never, the growth is very different. It's different. The journey has been very different. So I got a clarity after going through those sessions. Firstly, I got a clarity. जो भी मेरे subconscious mind में जितना भी blockages था ना, taking my my family or my relatives or my career, my money issues or whatever issues, everything I got cleared in every sessions. आफ्टर दैट ऑटोमेटिकली मैं जैसे कहना, ये ऑटोमेटिकली मेरे साथ होते गया कि मुझे अपने आप एक क्लैरिटी आने लगी कि व्हाट आई हैव टू डू नाउ, व्हाट इज़ माई, एंड देन आई रियलाइज दैट आई एम अ पीपल्स पर्सन. सो ऑब्वियसली माई प्रोफेशन हैज़ टू बी समथिंग रिलेटेड टू दैट. उसके बाद मैंने ट्रेनिंग पे ज़्यादा फोकस किया. Otherwise, I was also a person who used to do 10, even now I have 5 different businesses. But today when somebody will ask me what is your profession, my first answer is I'm a trainer. Because today I have a clarity about what I want to do, my where my focus should be, what is my priority when it comes to my work. Though my garments business is there, जो मेरा लखनवी कुर्तीज़ का है, लखनवी ड्रेसेस का बिजनेस है, वो भी है. मेरा जो हम बिजनेस स्ट्रैटेजीज़ का काम करते हैं वो भी है. हर चीज़ है, रिक्रूटमेंट है, I do this online digital media work. Everything is there, but my first preference is I want to be called as a trainer. So now I have a clarity that this is my first my priority. This is what I want to be known as, and this is where I want to create my identity as. So I am now I got a clarity, and that's when I started working towards अपने आप. मुझे कॉर्पोरेट ट्रेनिंग के अप्रोचेस, इवन विद इन द ग्रुप there are so many people within the group also who are working under me in my work from home opportunities into recruitment हो या social media marketing में हो. and I have started training people. group में भी काफ़ी लोगों ने उनको मैंने training दी है, और training के बाद उन्होंने मेरे साथ काम करना भी start कर दिया है. though these all things we don't put it in the group because it's all confidential. we don't want to make a huge thing कि यार people are working with me, but there are many people who are working with me even from the group. So it is all about getting clarity. So yes, I have got a clarity about what is my vision, mission, and where I have to reach in life. So 18 lives I understood that. though 18 life में हर बार मैंने कुछ अलग ही देखा है, कुछ अलग एक्सपीरियंस रहे हैं. and thankfully for me the biggest benefit was that my second session where I saw my aunt and I could verify those information with my mother, because most of the time people feel that you have seen something about your past, how will you verify whether ये सच है या नहीं. सो ये मेरे दिमाग में भी था, मैं भी यही सोचती थी. बट मेरे लिए सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट ये हुआ एंड सबसे बेनिफिशियल रहा कि दैट सेशन एक्चुअली गेव मी सो मच ऑफ इन्फॉर्मेशन विच आई हैड समबडी टू वेरीफाई that yes, it is true and this is what happened, and I was not even born that time. but yes, this so that's where some थोड़ा सा वहाँ पर एक मुझे क्या कहते हैं, एक कॉन्फिडेंस आ गया इस चीज़ पे, एक ट्रस्ट आ गया है. बट येस, एज आई सेड, ब्रेन इट हैज़ एवरीथिंग. मेरे ब्रेन में दुनिया आवर ब्रेन हैज़ इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट आवर नेबर्स, आवर फ्रेंड्स, एवरीबडी. हम यूनिवर्स से इतनी स्ट्रांगली कनेक्टेड है कि यूनिवर्स से कनेक्टेड जितनी चीज़ें हैं हमारे ब्रेन को सब पता है. इट्स जस्ट दैट we don't know how to connect it. Obviously we are not we don't have those superpowers, but somewhere this therapy helped me to connect that way, to connect to the root of it and to connect to the exact same incident where my problem was connected. Okay, there could be many more things about my life and my past life, but my concern was only about getting clarity about my career, which I actually got, and it really helped me. So yeah. बट चैताली, इफ यू वांट टू नो अबाउट ऑल द लाइफ, डेफिनेटली एक दिन मिलके हम लोग गपशप लड़ाएंगे, तो मैं सब बताती हूँ. और मे बी यू कैन हैव योर ओन एक्सपीरियंस विद दिस. Nikki is saying thanks for sharing your experience and then something new I came to know. Thank you, Nikki. Bini saying were your parents same in all the births? No, Bini. In fact, it's very surprising. I have never seen father in any of my life, nor only my aunt I have seen in one life. My mom I have seen only in one life. But my friends, I was very surprised when I saw one of my extraordinary, जिनसे मैं एक ही बार मिली थी किसी किटी में, उनको मैंने पास्ट लाइफ में देखा था. एंड शी इज़ अ वेरी गुड फ्रेंड ऑल्सो. आई नेवर टोल्ड हर एज वेल, बट yeah, and also few of my colleagues, I have seen them. Also the people who had done bad, the people who had kidnapped me, I had seen them, and I got to know the reason why that happened. So yeah, I saw that. And my mom I had seen in one life as my sister, not my mother, but as a sister I saw her. Okay, Deepika is saying thank you for sharing, Karuna. Welcome, Deepika. Nikki saying yes, in Reiki healing we use positivity only. Yes, right. See, I feel any kind of healing you take, any form of आप कोई भी चीज़ करो, बस ये करो कि आप पॉजिटिव बन जाओ लाइफ में, एंड स्टार्ट बिलीविंग इन योर सेल्फ. डोंट डू रॉन्ग थिंग्स एंड बिलीव इन कर्मा. डू कीप योर कर्मास क्लीन. ट्रस्ट मी, यू डोंट नीड टू डू एनीथिंग एल्स. सो अगर आप सही हो, चीज़ें सही कर रहे हो, तो ऑटोमेटिक सब ठीक ही होगा. और आपके साथ अगर कोई बुरा कर भी रहा होगा, तो वो उनका बुरा जो भी है, उनके कर्मास वो खुद बिल्ड करेंगे, और वो अपने आप ही they will be paying for it in the way they would be. But you don't have to go bad because somebody is going bad. Okay, कोई आपके बारे में गलत बोल रहा है तो आप उनके बारे में गलत बोलना चालू करोगे, तो you are not doing anything good. You are just creating a bad karma for yourself. Let them say bad, it's okay. उनकी ओपिनियन है, उनके कर्मास है. So we shouldn't get into all this. That's what I believe. Okay. Sarika says, saying people say that it's my last birth and I can feel how my mindset in this birth is. Oh, is it? My God. Sarika, okay. हम ज़रूर इस बारे में डिस्कस करेंगे, Sarika. I would really like to know how you got this thing. Actually, it is very interesting. I told Prasad, I've never seen you in any of my life. Actually, I've never seen him in any of my life. मुझे लगा एक लाइफ में शायद वो प्रसाद जैसी है, but it was not that connected so well, और वो इतना part of the story में नहीं था, तो मुझे नहीं confirm नहीं हुआ. So I always say Prasad कि oh God, this is my first life with you. So Prasad always say, so that means और 7 जन्म होने वाले हैं. So you be sure that और जन्म आने वाले तेरे, because हमें तो 7 जन्म लेने ही पड़ेंगे. So just in a fun way, but yeah. But Sarika, I would really like to know this. How did Almas is saying be positive. Yes, best be positive, right? Nikki saying I've heard few of my relatives like it's their last birth, so we come to know about this. You see, we all have a different kind of thought process and a mindset. So like I have this kind of thing, okay, anything bad or anybody is going to die in the family or in my close one, I always get intuitions, and very strong intuitions, and I start feeling restless. In fact, I had this experience when my best friend mom's mother, I saw in my dreams one night before she passed away. I saw in my dreams and I felt it's nothing, and I just didn't tell her, and next morning I get to know she's calling me and she's telling me that my mom is not there. And I was like, oh God, I should have told her. And similarly, this has happened with me several times when something bad, like my brother got this stroke. I started getting 1 week पहले से मुझे वो हो रहा था. I was getting that feeling that my brother or something bad is going to happen. I become very restless, and those intuitions. So okay, बहुत strong होता है, तो maybe yeah, they can actually connect with the therapist and check with them as well, and even if it's a last birth, it's fine now. Why are they so much? Because I don't think so कि soul कभी भी सोल तो हमेशा रहते हैं, ये मुझे लगता है. Nisha, when one matures spiritually, hence you can connect better. Exactly. That is really important, Nisha. You said it. It's right that many people would feel कि मैं past life regression therapy में जाऊँ और मुझे first day से ही पता चलने लगेगा. It doesn't work that way. You really need to have that self awareness. For me, as I said that मैंने counseling की थी खुद के ऊपर, इसलिए मेरा self awareness बहुत strong हो गया था. मैं अभी भी मैं बहुत वर्क करती हूँ. आई कीप डूइंग लर्निंग थिंग्स अबाउट डिफरेंट थिंग्स, कीप रीडिंग, try to improve myself, try to take a feedback from myself and try to change myself, do a lot of things. So self awareness is really important, otherwise you go to those therapies and it won't work that well. It might take few more sessions, like a few sessions for you to connect with yourself and get into that trance mode. Sachi saying wow, nice dear, thank you so much Sachi. Pushpa is saying no dear, you are 10,000% correct. Thank you so much Pushpashri. Renu is saying right. Amita is saying letting go of something is very hard and it takes a lot of efforts. Hats off to you Karuna for putting up closure for every situation. Yes Amita, that is bang on. You said it is very difficult to let go of something and trust me girls, ये इतना easy नहीं है. काफ़ी life में तो मैं stuck, I was like my first session also I was stuck. I was there like मेरा वो session काफ़ी लंबा चला था, I think 3 or 4 hours. And I was stuck because I was not ready to let my dad go, and I was very stubborn about that. So the getting a closure with something is not easy. So even in your subconscious mind you're not that आप बहुत stubborn हो जाते हो. So but yeah, you need to, if you tried this kind of service, you have to make sure that the therapist that you go to are that qualified to get you out of that. Otherwise it really is it can become a huge problem. So ये आपको ध्यान ज़रूर रखना चाहिए. And that's why when people ask me, I upfrontly don't go and tell them अरे ये नाम है. मैंने आज फर्स्ट टाइम ऐसे नाम बोलकर बताया है. अदरवाइज आई ऑलवेज टेल देम भाई पहले खुद भी आप एक रिसर्च कर लो, आप उनसे कनेक्ट करो, बात करो, कॉन्फिडेंस हो तो ही करो. डोंट डायरेक्टली स्टार्ट द सर्विस. एंड दीज सर्विसेज आर ऑल्सो नॉट वेरी अफोर्डेबल. दीज आर ऑल्सो वेरी एक्सपेंसिव थिंग्स. So yeah, you shouldn't waste your money. So better get some clarity about things and then get into all this. I'm blessed that my boss is always there to support me. But she knows that somewhere she always knew that, and she herself is a counselor. She also provides this kind of services. So I've already spoken to her as well, that if she can come on the group and she can share a few words and share her more about this kind of services which can help other people as well. So let me see if she gets time, because she is very super busy woman. मुझे खुद को उनसे बात करने के लिए महीनों लग जाते हैं. So yeah. Amita, I read your message. Vandana is saying you are a great human being and always very positive. You are doing a great job. God bless you, dear. Thank you so much, Vandana. This is really a huge compliment. When somebody says you're a very positive person, I really feel very nice, because I was never like this. So it has taken a lot of efforts and time for me to turn this way. So thank you so much. Simran, thumbs up. Nisha is saying I totally agree. When you grow, then other options opinion doesn't matter. True, it shouldn't matter. It shouldn't matter ever. Dr. Sneha, it was great knowing how past life could affect present life. Yes, Dr. Sneha, thank you so much. Vandana, we have to pay for our past karma in every life, whether good or bad. Yeah, that's true. We have to pay for our karma, not past karmas, present karmas as well. Every karma there is you have to pay. So yeah, that is true. Chaitali is saying I'll PM you, need little more detailed help related to my issues. Sure Chaitali, anybody who wants any more information do ping me. Since I am always on trainings or busy with a lot of work, so I might not reply to you immediately, but just ping me and keep, so the moment I am free I will connect you. I'll reply to you. Harleen is saying right dear, thank you so much Harleen ji. Almas is saying thanks for sharing, welcome Almas. Sachi, I don't know why you're laughing but good, keep laughing. We will, sure Sarika. Sachi is saying oh good yaar, yes good, it's very good. Nisha is saying as Jen is karma, so it is true that every karma has a way of giving it back to you, good or bad. That's true. Bini saying thanks a lot. I'm very much interested in this. Many questions. Were you Indian in all life? As I replied to this earlier, Bini, no, I was not Indian in all my life. As I mentioned, in one life I was a man, and I was in some other country, not this country. And in fact, that in that session, my accent, my body language was completely different. I was talking in a very different language. In fact, my therapist had to literally record it again and listen to it, because I was sounding very different. The language was different, because automatically I moved, I was in the trance mode, and my whole mindset was in that kind of that life. So yeah. Another question is, did you see life after death or only past life? I did see life after death in one session. Trust me, this might be little scary to people, but trust me, it is not scary. Okay, it is not scary, but when I told somebody recently, they felt it is scary. So I also in one of the session, I picked up a question related to some bad dreams in one of our family members, and I got to know that it was because of some souls in my house, and I had to connect with them, and I had to remove them. Okay, so it was scary for me as well, because I did not how does that ये थोड़ा सा ये सेशन करते करते ना आपका फियर निकल जाता है, अपने आप निकलता है, क्योंकि आप खुद को इतने सारे सोल में देखते हो कि आपको कंफर्ट लेवल आ जाता है शायद. तो आई डिड दैट, एंड आई गॉट इनटू दैट जोन. आई सॉ 2 souls in that house where we were residing. I spoke to them. I understood why they were still in that house, though they were not harming anybody. But then they told me, one of the soul, she was because she had lost her son in that house, and she was trying to find that in my one of my family member, and but then we gave a closure to that. We made her realize that she is dead, and her son is also dead, and it was a long time ago. So we had to clear those, and we actually did that. I did that with her, and I still can't believe that I did it, because मैं बहुत फट्टू हूँ. लिटरली मैं हॉरर शो भी कभी देख नहीं सकती, मैं इतनी फट्टू हूँ. बट दैट टाइम आई एक्चुअली स्पोक टू हर, एंड आई मेड हर अंडरस्टैंड दैट her life is ended. Everything is ended. We made her see her dead body, her kid's dead body. So yeah, that thing I had done. So yeah, I have seen life after death as well. And in fact, this conceiving problem जो मेरा था, why I had to go through this problem for so long was also there. So in fact I saw why I had to go through it, and why did that happen to me, कि मुझे कंसीव करने के लिए इतना टाइम लगा, और इतना नेगेटिव क्यों हो गई थी मैं, और मुझे काफ़ी डॉक्टरों ने जो कहा था कि आई कैन नेवर कंसीव, वो क्यों हुआ मेरे साथ. ये सब भी मुझे आंसर्स मिले. Are dreams connected with our past life? Interesting question. Actually, dreams are not connected only with our past life. Dreams are connected with something in about our life. सो इट डिपेंड्स आप क्या ड्रीम करते हो. कहीं ना कहीं सबकॉन्शियस माइंड में आपको उसका आंसर मिलेगा. इट्स नॉट ओनली पास्ट लाइफ, इट कुड बी द फ्यूचर, इट कुड बी द प्रेजेंट, और इट कुड बी समबडी एल्सेस लाइफ. बट या, यू कैन गेट दोज इंट्यूशंस इन फॉर्म ऑफ ड्रीम्स. this is whatever I'm saying is through my experience. Please understand, I'm not a professional, I'm not from this field, this is completely from my experience. So I'm just sharing my views. I constantly see one building and place since my birth. The person is with me always in my dreams. Maybe it's a connection. You should actually try to connect with a professional to understand this, Bini. It could be, it's something... sorry, I don't have experience in this. I can completely understand what you're saying, why somebody is hurting you or being nice to you. Thank you so much, Nisha. I know what you're referring to. So yeah, Jyoti saying hi Jyoti. Rupali saying a big hug to you. Thank you so much. A big hug to you too, Rupali. And to all. Bini has tagged Reena. Okay. Sarika saying keep doing good, God bless you. Thank you so much, Sarika. Nisha has good point that going to a right service practice. Yes, that's true. It's important that we go to right people, even right counselor or right people. And the most important thing is, whoever you connect to shouldn't be somebody who is trying to tell you that yeah, problem, should be focusing on the solution and not fake solutions, but help trying, making you understand that only you can get the solution to your problems, not somebody telling you that I will give a solution. Somebody who tells you that, I will be with you, but you are the one who is going to find the solution. So I feel those are the right kind of people who will actually help you in the right manner. So yeah, that's it, girls. I cannot give all the details about every life. Some are little bit personal, but yeah, if somebody wants to know anything about this, do ping me. And trust me, this is not any kind of promotion or anything like that. It's just that many people wanted to know about this, so I thought हर एक को कहाँ जवाब देती बैठी हूँ मैं, लाइव जाकर आप लोगों से शेयर करती हूँ. So yeah, this is about the past life regression. There are many there are many levels to this, and there are there are different ways of practicing different forms of past life. There are hypnotherapy. There's one more. I think we have one person in our group as well who is into this kind of service. Though I've not tried a service, but I feel she must be also excellent because I know her well. So yeah, there are many such level of services. You can actually connect with me, and I can get you connected to these people who are into such services, whom I have taken service from and I have found beneficial. Mania is saying thank you so much for sharing your experience with us. Welcome, Mania. Rajita is saying I want to connect with my. Okay. I'm not sure, Rajita, how if how much that can be done, but I can connect you with the right person. I can connect you with them, and maybe you can talk to them and share what is your concern, and they can see if they can help you with this. Chaitali Singh, God bless you. It takes hell lot of courage to go live here about own things. Yes, Chaitali, that's true. I was never this courageous, but now I feel that whatever happens, I should share with people, because we never know how we can be helpful to somebody. I have got different feedback for this as well. I keep sharing about my life. There are people who feel that this could be just to gain attention. But and there are people who appreciate it, but trust me, now it doesn't affect me. Whoever feels it's whatever the reason, but I feel that my main reason to share things about my life is because I have been through a lot of different things in my life, a lot of ups and downs. So, and I feel when I share this, there could be at least one person who might and this has happened, whenever I share something about my life, ek haath do to people connect with patient. So if I'm able to help even one person, it's for me, it's an achievement. So I that's the reason I have become that strong to come on social media and share about my life experiences. Thank you for sharing. थोड़ा fear files देखने जैसा लग रहा था बीच में. No मानो, fear files ये सब नहीं है. Group also mentioned. Trust me, girl, it is not at all. Up to whom you to be knowledgeable and strong enough to take care of your issues. Okay, so it's not that scary at all. Just go to the right person and just go with the right mindset. Simran, wonderful. Thank you so much for sharing your personal life with us. Welcome. So girls, I think that we are done with all the information and what I could. More information, you can ping me and we can discuss. Nisha is saying thank you sharing this with us, means a lot, and yes, it helps a lot of people. Have a nice day ahead. I might be connecting with you all again tomorrow. We have a small surprise for all of you.